everyone's mind with its video capabilities, and now apparently it's leveled up even further with faster image generation, consistent characters, and the ability to brainstorm and create on the go. In today's video, I will show you how to use its best new features. There's so much to unpack, and stick around. First of all, I have to say I don't usually get excited about things like this in my reviews, but the interactive animations on the landing page are so satisfying and give a great first impression. To get started, click on Try Now. Once you log in, the first thing you will see is your boards. These are essentially projects that you've created, and we'll get into how to use them in just a minute. On the left-hand side, you can switch from the Boards page to the Ideas page, which stores every piece you've generated, even the ones made before the last update. When you're ready to create something new, head back to the Boards page and click the plus button. You will see suggestions pop up, things like visual ideas or character prompts. These are great if you're starting fresh, but if you have a specific idea in mind, you can type it directly into the prompt box. But before you do that, check out the settings. Here you can switch between images and videos and choose from various aspect ratios. I'm starting simple, a serene mountain lake at sunrise with mist in the air. With their updated Photon model, which is 8 times faster than similar models, this took about 5 seconds to generate. What's great about this is how realistic the results are. The reflections on the water look almost photographic, and even with a simple prompt. If you don't like any of the generated images, you can click more like this to generate a new set. Dream Machine is supposed to be excellent at rendering text and images. So let's test that out by generating a children's book cover with the title Adventures of Luna. And there you have it, 4 versions of a charming book cover, all with perfectly rendered text. And the font matches the playful tone that you would expect from a children's book. Once you've generated an image, you can use the Modify button. Let's say I want to change the knight's armor to gold and add some storm clouds in the background. You can type your request in a conversational tone and hit Generate. Dream Machine will adjust the image while maintaining the original composition. Another cool feature is the ability to evolve your ideas. After generating an image, you can click the Brainstorm button to see suggestions for different styles or themes. For example, for this snowy forest scene, Dream Machine suggested adding Art Nouveau elements. By selecting that, I got a new prompt, and I can generate new images in that style. Now let's talk about these clickable keywords that Dream Machine highlights in your prompt. They are called concept pills, and they represent key elements like the subject, environment, or time of the day. You can click on these pills to adjust specific parts of your scene. For example, here I got suggestions to change the subject to something else, and all the options work well with the environment. Let's say you want to switch the season from snowy to autumn. Just click the pill and Dream Machine will generate a new version. You can even change the environment completely. I'm going to from forest to desert. It's such a unique mix, but Dream Machine handles it very well. Alright, now let's move on to video generation. This is what really put Dream Machine on the map. To generate a video, you can start by selecting an image that you've already created. You'll see an option that says Make Video. From there, you can describe the scene in more detail or keep it as it is. Now here's where it gets interesting. Dream Machine has camera presets. You can specify movements like push in and more. For example, let's say you want the camera to move to the right. Just select that and hit Generate. Keep in mind, generating videos takes a bit longer than images. The speed can vary depending on your subscription plan and how many people are using Dream Machine at the same time. For me, it took about 20 seconds to generate a 5-second clip, which is still impressive. The results did not disappoint. It also adds a subtle parallax effect, making the scene feel dynamic. Let's try with another image. This time, I will set the camera movement to push in. Once generated, the video shows the camera following the subject as they walk forward. It's smooth, realistic, and perfectly matches the vibe of the original image. It seems to understand the context of the image. In a snowy forest scene like this, it adds falling snow. If the subject is meditating, it keeps its movement subtle. But what if you want to generate a video directly from text without any image reference? Let's try with a drone flying through a neon-lit, futuristic city. Simply switch the settings to video and hit generate. Now let's talk about the keyframes feature. This is an incredibly powerful tool for creating transitions. Here's how it works. You upload two images. One is the start frame, and the other is the end frame. And Dream Machine will generate a smooth transition between the two. But image referencing isn't just for characters. Let's say you've created an artistic-looking forest scene, and you want to replicate that style in a different setting. You can use the Add Style tag in the prompt box and describe something new, like a serene mountain landscape at sunset. Dream Machine will generate the new scene while matching the artistic style of the original image. Dream Machine has a free plan to get you started. There are also paid plans that come with more perks, such as high-priority processing. But that's not all. All thanks to MDMZ for the secret code. I have shared my Instagram Reel link below. Please click on it for knowing more.